That saying is, everybody want to be a bodybuilder, but nobody want to lift some heavy ass weight. What I'm really trying to say is, everybody want to be good, everybody want to be on top, everybody want to be the best, but don't nobody want to go out there and make all the sacrifices that you have to do to be there.
I heard this quote today and it hit me kind of hard. I wish I'd have heard it a few years ago. It might have saved me a bunch of pain and heartache. But it goes like this. Don't let your loyalty keep you in situations that your common sense should have got you out of.
वैसे आप लोगों की जानकारी के लिए बता दूं कि अभी तो मैं अपने पैरों पर खड़ा हुआ हूं। ठीक से चलना शुरू भी नहीं किया मैंने। रफ्तार पकड़नी तो अभी बाकी।
बहुत कुछ कहना था यार, पर तुम हाल ना समझ सके तो बात क्या समझोगे?
कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी।
My friend asked me, isn't it sad? And I said, what? And he said, how the things that we often want to forget are the things that once made us the happiest. That's it.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की।
आजकल एटीट्यूड का ट्रेंड चल रहा है। ये 15-15 साल के बच्चे भी बोले घर में घुस के मारूंगा, ये अबे बगल में दबा दिया तो घुंघड़ा के ही मर जाएगा।
I can bring you in warm, or I can bring you in cold.
मुनाफिकों की बस्ती में अपने डेरे हैं, ये मेरे मुंह पे मेरे हैं और तेरे मुंह पे तेरे हैं।
If you don't fail, you're not even trying. I'll say it again. If you don't fail, you're not even trying. To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did.